let's now get you COVID in numbers, and this is definitely an alarming situation. So the news that now people above 45 are going to be vaccinated is good news. Why? Because of this number. You see this number. This is what is scary. 40,715. That's the number of COVID cases we have added in the last 24 hours. We've also added 199 deaths in the last 24 hours. So this figure steadily increasing, which is not good. Now, yesterday, India had recorded a little higher than the figures that have come today. Not a significant difference, but 46,900, close to 50,000 cases. We're inching close to that mark, and about 212 deaths. So this was what happened yesterday. Now let's take a look at the top 5 states with the highest number of cases. And the real worry really, almost from the very beginning for the past 1 year, has been Maharashtra, which has always seen a very, very high surge in the number of cases. So in Maharashtra, you've got 24,645 cases. So this is a big reason to worry. In Punjab, it comes second, but a huge difference. In Punjab, you see it's about 2,299. In Gujarat, it is 1,640. In Karnataka, about 1,400. Now, let's take a look at the states with the highest deaths in the last 24 hours. Again, Maharashtra, and surprisingly, the state which has reported a very high presence of the new UK strain, Punjab, also sees the number of deaths as high as Maharashtra. They stand at 58. Chhattisgarh, Kerala are at 12 each. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu at 10 each. Delhi at 7. Now let's quickly take a look at what the Punjab government is saying. So they've spoken on the new UK strain. They say that 81% of the 401 samples show that there is a UK strain. There is a UK strain in Punjab. 81% means that it exists. Now, Punjab Chief Minister says that people must get inoculated and adhere to norms. So Punjab Chief Minister, the Punjab government wants the inoculation drive to be expanded to other sections of the society also, other age groups also. The Punjab government says that Covishield is effective against the UK strain. So this is a very important point that he seems to be mentioning, that the AstraZeneca vaccine is working on the UK strain as well. Now, as far as the Punjab COVID-19 panel is concerned, they say that the UK strain is far more infectious than the strain earlier. So this is an important point that the Punjab government seems to be making, that the new strains, and something we know of also, that these new strains or mutations are far more infectious. And it has also seen a surge in the number of deaths in Punjab, which is a cause of worry. Then the government says that the UK strain is found to be infecting young people more. And that's why they build their case. This is why they're building their case, that the inoculation drive must factor in the young as well. Yes, we need to save the lives of the elderly, but with this new strain affecting the youngsters more, they too need to be inoculated, or they too need to get the jab very, very quickly. Now, amid the UK strain worry, Punjab Chief Minister has appealed to Prime Minister Modi, where he says, follow norms or face restrictions. Now, that's not something that he's telling the Prime Minister, but to the Prime Minister, he has basically appealed that allow vaccinations for a greater section of people. That's his advice, of course, to the people, that you please follow all the COVID-appropriate behavior. Otherwise, there could be fresh restrictions. Now, this is a point that has been made by the Maharashtra Chief Minister as well. So that's COVID today in a nutshell, but lots more developments happening in the rest of the world.